We are down in Davis County today, and we are super excited to bring this 94-acre parcel with a beautiful homestead to market. This property has a ton to offer. Not only are you out in a beautiful rural setting, but if you're looking for a little bit of recreation, the ability to homestead, maybe raise a little bit of cattle in the family, this is the property for you.
Tucked away in a quiet valley in the Davis County countryside, this 94-acre property offers the privacy, beauty, and versatility that rural buyers dream about. Set far away from the hustle and bustle, this farm provides a peaceful setting with a remodeled homestead, excellent wildlife habitat, productive pasture opportunities, and endless outdoor recreation. The land has undergone prairie restoration with a strong stand of native grasses now established across the property. These native grasses not only add to the natural beauty of the farm, but also create outstanding habitat for wildlife. The area is well known for producing trophy caliber whitetail deer, and this property is ideally positioned for hunting and recreation. As an added bonus, the south side of the farm borders Stephens State Forest, providing even more room to explore, hunt, and enjoy the outdoors. A fully stocked pond loaded with fish adds another major highlight to the property. The pond also feeds a hydrant, making it convenient for watering cattle, gardens, or other plants. With the property being fully fenced, it is well suited for someone looking to raise livestock, start a homestead, or simply enjoy a self-sufficient country lifestyle. The remodeled 3-bedroom, 1-bath home features over 1,200 square feet of living space and has seen many updates in recent years, including new siding, vinyl windows, flooring, and an on-demand water heater. The home is in excellent condition and offers comfortable country living with modern improvements already completed. Additional improvements include a 26 by 26 detached garage with concrete floors, along with several outbuildings that provide ample storage for farm equipment, vehicles, tools, and recreational gear. Whether you are looking for a private homestead, a hunting and recreational retreat, a cattle property, or a peaceful place to call home in the countryside, this well-rounded Davis County acreage is a must-see.
My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.